Hello everyone, my name is Julia and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's make together this cute coaster. To crochet this cup coaster we will need cotton cord 2 mm, scissors, big needle, 3.5 mm hook and markers like this. Make a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around fingers, hold with your thumb. The tail is at the bottom and the working yarn is at the top. Insert the hook under, grab the working yarn, pull, hold the ring with your fingers and make chain 2. 1, 2. The first round consists of 12 double crochets. These 2 chains count as the first stitch of the round. Make 11 double crochets right into the ring. To make double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, now 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on the hook. Take the marker and place right here. Under these 2 loops, in the end, we will make join. I made 2 stitches, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. I made 3 stitches. Find the tail, pull to tighten the ring a little. Make another 9 double crochets. I made 11 double crochets and I make the last one. Pull on the tail to close the ring. Now join the round, remove the marker, insert the hook like this and insert into the loop and pull through these loops and place marker here. And right here where I place the marker, I will make the last stitch of the second round. Start crocheting the second round. We make increase into every stitch. Let's make the first stitch. Insert the hook right here where the loop is coming from, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through, and chain 1. This is the first stitch. And make an increase, yarn over, insert the hook right into the same place and make double crochet. I made the first increase, 2 double crochets in one stitch from the previous round. Make another increase into the next stitch. Two double crochets in one place. We make increases into every stitch. Continue this pattern till this marker. I made 11 increases. Remove this marker and make the last increase in this round. And right here. I made 12 increases. Now join the round, remove the marker, insert the hook, and pull. Place the marker right here. Here I'm going to make the last stitch in the third round. Start crocheting the next round. In this round we make again 12 increases and we make 1 double crochet between increases. Make the first stitch. And right here I make an increase. Place the marker. Now we make double crochet and an increase into the next stitch. I made increase, 1 double crochet, increase. Here's gonna be again 1 double crochet. Here an increase. An increase, 1 double crochet, an increase, 1 double crochet, an increase, here 1 double crochet, and repeat the pattern till the end. Right before the marker I made the last increase, and here I make 1 double crochet. Remove the marker. Now join the round. Place the marker here. We finished the third row. We make 12 increases in each row, and only the number between increases will change by 1. So in this round we made 1 double crochet between increases. In the next round we will make 2 double crochets between increases. Start crocheting round number 4, the first stitch, and we make increases between increases from the previous round. So the next increase we will make here. Into the next stitch we make an increase. Then make 2 double crochets. Here an increase. I made an increase, 2 double crochets, an increase, and here make 2 double crochets. Continue crocheting this round following this pattern. An increase, 2 double crochets, an increase, 2 double crochets. Right before the marker I made the last increase. Here I make 1 double crochet. Remove the marker. Join the round. Start crocheting the last round. Make first stitch as usual. In this round we make 12 increases and 3 double crochet between them. And let's see where we can make the first increase. Right under the first stitch, the increase. So we can make here or here. Make 2 double crochet. And right here an increase. And continue crocheting following this pattern. 3 double crochet and increase, 3 double crochet and increase. And right here we make the last increase. We made 12 increases and 3 double crochets between them. Join the round right here. If you want a smaller size, you can skip the last round. Now place the marker right here. Now we make reverse single crochet. So we make single crochets in the opposite direction. Insert the hook right here, yarn over, pull through, then pull up, yarn over, pull through. Into the next stitch, pull up, yarn over, pull through, pull up. Continue making reverse single crochets till this marker. Remove the marker and we make 2 more single crochets, reverse single crochets. 1, 2. Leave the tail and cut here, then pull through the loops, turn, take the needle, I insert the needle right here under the stitch and pull through. Then we hide the tail. Cut the yarn. Now hide this tail, just pull. Insert the needle, pull, and I make knot here. And hide. And cut. We almost finished, and now steam the coaster. I use the towel, then place the coaster on the towel, then place another towel and steam. I do it with iron. The coaster is ready. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe not to miss the next videos. See you soon, bye!